In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color in Photoshop. By the end, you'll have a clean, solid color background behind your subject without permanently altering your original image. This method is quick, flexible, and completely non-destructive, which means you can revisit your choices at any time. Start by opening your image in Photoshop. Once it's on your screen, make sure you can see the Layers panel. If your subject is already cut out or placed on its own layer with transparency, you're in great shape. If not, that's okay. Just know that this approach is designed to sit behind your subject, so it works best when the subject isn't sharing the same pixels as the original background. Higher resolution images also tend to blend more naturally with new backgrounds. Next, head to the top menu and create a solid color fill. Go to Layer, then New Fill Layer, and choose Solid Color. This creates a special kind of layer that fills your entire canvas with a single color. It's like laying a colored sheet behind your subject rather than painting directly on the photo. You can give the layer a name to stay organized, or simply accept the default and continue. When the color picker appears, choose the background color you want. You'll see a live preview as you drag around the color square or adjust the hue slider. Pick something that complements your subject. Cool tones can make skin look warmer, while warm tones can add energy to the scene. If you're unsure, start with a neutral shade and refine as you go. Click OK to confirm your choice. Now look back to the Layers panel. You should see the new color fill layer sitting above your image. To place it behind your subject, simply drag the color fill layer below your subject layer. The solid color instantly becomes the new background, letting your subject sit cleanly on top. If your subject layer includes a mask that isolates the person or object, the fill color will show through everywhere. The mask reveals the background, creating a seamless, studio-style look. The beauty of this setup is its flexibility. The color fill layer remains editable, so you can change the color later without starting over. You can also keep your project tidy by naming layers and grouping related items, helping you stay organized as you experiment. That's all it takes. Open your image, add a solid color fill, choose your color, and place the fill behind your subject. Simple, controlled, and fully reversible.